Hey, Rudy.
What's up, gorgeous? Welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate. And if you are new to this channel, welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and make sure to turn on that notification bell, okay? It's Boxycharm Box Baby review. And guess what? It was okay this month. I think I'm gonna unsubscribe though, because like I haven't gotten a foundation, a moisturizer, like other things that I would expect to get, you know, out of Boxycharm, but whatever. This is March's Boxycharm box, and we're going to go over it. And once again, they forgot the description card, but I have my computer up, so if y'all see me looking to my right, it's because I'm reading off of that. So first product, if y'all can see it, this is QMS Medi Cosmetics, and this is a lip line corrector. So it's a lip serum, which sounds pretty cool. The lightweight formulation ensures effective and immediate absorption, while the exclusive ingredient complex with a 3-phase lifting effect is designed to restore skin to a youthful and plump condition. Now, knowing me, I don't need this, but I'm gonna use it anyway because this stuff is
$200. Yes, ma'am, it is $200.
and that's craziness. So I'm just going to pump this on my hand so y'all can see how this looks. I might have to use this. Hopefully my hand doesn't become plump. Dang, like a little goes a long way. So I would say just do one pump, because it's a lot that comes out of that. So now the second product that I got was an eyeshadow palette, and it's called Living in Color palette. So I see what they was trying to do there. But I've opened it and I think I'm biased because I love eyeshadow palettes that have big squares. Like, I like palettes that look like this or like this. The James Charles palette too. But when I get stuff like this, I feel really bad because I be thinking like this stuff is for kids. Cause like, what the heck? If I can get it out. So the packaging is the same as the box, of course. But then these are the colors. And you know, the colors are cool, but like I said, like when I get palettes like this and when they're small, it looks cheap. And I feel really bad for saying it, but that's how I feel about them. Like, I feel like they're not gonna work. Are you ready to start living in color? Visually inspired by the late 90s and early 2000s MySpace realness. Each one of these eyeshadows can be worn by itself and blended out for the artist on the go. And the price of this is $27, which sounds about right. All right, the next product I have is another KVD Beauty, Kat Von D Beauty product. And this is a liquid highlighter. And, you know, I have my liquid drops from Cover FX, but I'm gonna see how I like this one. I like the packaging. This is cute. So this is what the applicator looks like. So I'm guessing at the bottom, this is where you twist. Sis, you gonna come out or what? There we go. So you just keep twisting it until that product comes out. And we're gonna swatch this real quick. I'm not sure if I would use this as a highlighter, because that is just way too freaking bright for my complexion. But I could use it like for my eyes. You know, you just gotta find a way you can use this stuff so that you don't feel like you just got it for no reason, or you can always just give it to people as a gift. Illuminate your complexion with a dose of Ethereal Glow. Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter lights up your best features with an ultra-fine, pearlescent, fluid formula. Perfect for soft, everyday radiance. This is creamy yet weightless formula is super versatile and buildable. Reading it, I'm starting to realize maybe I could put it on. It would just have to be under my makeup just to give me that radiant glow. So this is something different that they sent me. These are slanted tweezers, and I've never seen tweezers look like this before. I'm gonna take it out the package so y'all can see. So this is what it looks like. This is very different. These are Cella slanted tweezers. Our slanted tip tweezer features Cella's signature, a unique no-slip grip coating. Oh, okay. And stainless steel slanted tips for precision hair removal. Oh, okay. So yeah, I could use this for hair removal too. I could use this on my guests. Like after I do their brows, just pluck, 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 pluck. The price of these is $20, but it is stainless steel. It's very freaking heavy. And I think I'm just gonna have to keep using them just so that they can loosen up, I guess. But I actually like these. It's different, but I like it. Okay, and last but not least, we have Becca. And this is their first time sending me Becca. And it's a glow gloss. And I was just talking about how I lost my Fenty gloss because I lost my makeup bag and I'm so upset about it. Like, how do you lose a makeup bag? And I need to find it because it had like all my favorites in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is actually very freaking cute. The gloss is tinted, but I think I can deal with that. I actually really like this. This is probably my favorite out of everything that they sent me. Illuminate your lips with a luxe conditioning lip color that combines the shine of a gloss and a nourishing benefit of a balm. 3D light reflecting pigment ingredients instantly make lips look fuller and smoother. And the price of this is $22. And I think this is the cutest thing. This is my favorite. I really like it. It's cute. It's cute. All right, you guys. And that's the end of my March Boxycharm review. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, please. Make sure to turn on that notification bell. Make sure to follow my Instagram. Okay, and I'll see you gorgeous subscribers in my next video. And if you're not a subscriber, you ugly. Take it how you want. All right, you guys. Peace out.